Hi, I'm Zoe from Winchester Caravans and Motorhomes, and today I'm going to talk you through how to use the new Truma diesel heater and hot water panel. This is your main menu. On the left here you have room climate, that is your heating. Hot water is your boiler. iNet app, that is to set up the app you can get on your phone with the panel to control things from your phone. Notifications will give you any indication of any error codes that you may have on the system. To turn off the panel, you have this option here. You can also put it on standby in that mode too. And settings on the right hand side. To put the heating on, press room climate. Here you have the option to either heat the van, or you can also ventilate the van using the fans to circulate the air that is already in the vehicle. To put the heating on, push heating. And here you'll find two temperatures. Currently, this is the temperature that is in the vehicle at the moment, and the temperature above is what you want to set the room to. So if you push this up and down, you can choose your temperature and it will try and get up to this temperature for you. While it's doing this, the red circles will be going around the temperatures to show you the system is working. On the right hand side you have the options of fast or comfort. Effectively, this is like a boost or a standard mode. You can choose the power source that you want to use by pressing this button here. It's worth noting that on the top, it tells you here this is for both the heating and the hot water. So any items you select on here will apply to both. You can use the system on diesel, off or on. You can use the system on mains, off, 900 watts or 1800 watts depending on what sort of site you're on and how much mains you have coming in. You can also use it on both, diesel and mains, on either mains option. It's worth noting as well that when you have it on the diesel option, the input pipe will not let the tank use all of your diesel, so you will always have a reserve in case you need to drive somewhere. It will not use all of your diesel. To go back out of this, press the little back button and it will take you back to that menu. If you push the home button, you'll now see that we have the heating trying to get up to the 24 degrees. If you want to use your boiler, press hot water and effectively just press the turn on button. Here you have the option to increase the temperature of the boiler from 40 to 60 to 70, and underneath this will show you what these temperatures are related for. So 70 is good for a long shower, 60 a normal shower, and 40 is great for washing the dishes. If you need to boost the temperature of the hot water, you can push the boost button here, and this will boost it for 40 minutes. It will take some of the power that's going towards your heating, your room heating, to put this into the water to get it going quickly. And again, as we said, power source you can select here, and this is, as we said, for both the heating and the hot water. To go back, push the back button, and to go to the home page, push home. In the iNet app, you can connect your smartphone through this system. So if you push the button, it will take you through to a QR code that will take you through to the Play Store or App Store, so you can download the app and connect it to this control panel. Notifications. In here you will see notifications. We don't have mains plugged in at the moment, so it's telling us simply we need to plug the mains in. So anything like that will appear in this tab. Settings. You can change the date and time in here. You can also change the brightness of the screen, the language, etc. It's worth knowing Device Manager does not apply to the phone app. This is to do with the control panel and factory settings, so you do not need to go into this option. To turn the panel off, you can press the button in the centre here. Then it will give you two options. So if you just want to turn the screen off, for example, if you're going to bed, you want to keep your heating on, press standby. If you're turning the vehicle off, you're leaving the van, you want to turn the heating and the hot water off, then push turn off. If you use the standby button, the screen will go black. To turn it back on again, push the home button and unlock. If you're turning off the panel completely, push turn off and the panel will turn itself off. That was an instructional video on how to use the new Truma diesel and mains control panel. If you have any questions about the system, please do not hesitate to contact a member of our team.